Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Syscoin. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of Syscoin was breaking out this resistance of the up channel on the long-term weekly time frame, and this was the spike. And right now, you can see after this long spike, the price line again moved down back inside this big channel. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to have another reversal from here, from the support, or it is going to break down this support. So let's start the analysis. First of all, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart, and this is the weekly time frame, and we can see that the price line was not able to break out this resistance since after September 2021. This was the first rejection, then we had another rejection, then we have one and two more rejections. Recently we have this rejection, and this was the candlestick that was I was showing you in my previous video, that the price line is likely to break out this resistance finally. But unfortunately, the price line is again rejected, and it is moved inside this channel again. And if you remember, guys, I was showing you a very strong resistance that the price line is not able to break out. One resistance we have, this one, that is the resistance of this up channel. And there is another price level resistance that is approximately at 59 cents. And you can see that previously the price line was rejected here as well. Here we had the closing above this resistance, and even on this candlestick, and even on the current candlestick, we are above this resistance. And for example, if this candlestick will be also closed above this resistance, then it is possible that the price line will have a reversal from above this resistance. If we move to the daily time frame, then we can see that even though the price line tested the support after this drop, but it is reversed back and still moving above, sometime below and sometime above this resistance on the daily time frame. So it is possible that we will not test the support again, and the price line will have a reversal. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame, then here we have a very interesting situation, because you can see the price line has found a support. Like here we have first bounce, then we have another bounce here, then we have another bounce here. So there is an uptrend line support we have. Let me remove these other trend lines so it will be easy for you to watch this move. And we also have a resistance, the formation of a resistance here. So there is a formation of an ascending triangle. And you can see that we have rejection here, we have rejection here, we also have rejection here, and the price line after this rejection is moving down. For example, if the price line will again test the support, then it can again hit a spike up to 55 cents, and from here it can start another reversal. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of this ascending triangle, then our next imminent target after this breakout can be, let me show you, the target will be 89 cents. And for example, if the price line is going to hit 89 cents, then if we watch the resistance of this up channel that is formed on the weekly time frame, then we can see that this resistance is, for example, if the price line is hitting here, we have the resistance approximately at 75 cents. So it is possible that if the price line is going to break out this the small triangle that has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame, then it can also break out the resistance of this big up channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.